Millington police need your help finding a man they say is responsible for a string of burglaries. They say the suspect is responsible for stealing from at least 6 different churches in the area. And now they need your help tracking him down. WREG's Ashley Paul spoke with one of those churches, and Ashley, one of the items he allegedly stole actually linked police to him.
Yes, Stephanie. Well, leaders here at the New Beginnings Church say the suspect made away with some normal items like money, equipment, electronics, but they say he also made sure to snag a few church t-shirts before he left. And when police found those shirts, they knew they also found their guy. New Beginnings Church is one of at least 6 churches in the area Millington police say was robbed this week.
Why churches? Because he knows nobody's there, or he's looking for something.
Elaine Butler, church administrator, works at New Beginnings. She says when she came in Tuesday morning to hang fall decorations, she noticed something wasn't right.
As we were going to the front of the church recently to put out our fall flowers, we noticed that there was, we had a big blessed change plastic canister, that the monies were tossed all around on the floor.
Millington police say 22-year-old Michael Zach Armstrong is the man responsible. Butler says he made away with roughly $2,500 worth of cameras, musical equipment, and other electronics. She says police told her Armstrong was a suspect for other church robberies. And when they searched his house, they also found a number of church shirts, just like the one she's wearing in this interview.
For whatever reason, he took the church shirt, so maybe there was, it could be a cry for help.
And she says she's willing to offer Armstrong that help by welcoming him into the church, if he turns himself in.
It's still never too late, but we've got to do the right things. And that will start with him turning himself in, but there's still help for him.
Now, police still have not been able to locate Armstrong. If you have any information about his whereabouts, contact the Millington Police Department or Crime Stoppers at 528-CASH. For now, live in Millington, I'm Ashley Paul, WREG News Channel 3.